Today it's Today me and my sister playing Roblox with your you fucking motherfucker. Stupid. Pamandahin ko sa YouTube. And your voice will be in the video. Means you're dumb. Today's sponsor is Roblox. Today's sponsor is Roblox. And Roblox is a building platform where you can have friends. No one cares about your life. Then why did you not care for your face? What did God do to you?
God made me beautiful, made me smart, made me independent, made me everything for you.
No, the beautiful is the opposite one. Ugly bitch. Then look at your face. Look at the wrinkles. Bro, looks like a cockroach. Okay lang, but at least ako ang ate. Ugly kayo, naiadagang kayo mga wrinkles. Means you're a teenager. You're still a teen. Stupid. Wow, apiste. Wala pa ko sa 70. Saan ako na level? Level ko 77, 99 million. Sure, been playing this game. Cause this is Mario. Yoo-hoo! Ito princess, nilupad ko. Tanaw ako, nilupad ko. Gini. Oh, Kaday! Ang fucking lupi! Lupi! Bro just fell out of the map. Dioksia. Buhay ya. The princess, galupad ko. Tanaw ko. I'm standing on top of life. Life, here I come. Die. Wait, why did I say die and then I died? But that was perfect timing. But your life ain't perfect timing. It's me, bombastic. It's me, Mr. Bombastic. Fantastic. Nega man kayo ni na game. Peach team Wishan di imong laway pistika. God, please kill my sister. This really Shut the fuck up, Dra. Shut the fuck up, Dra. It's been 20 minutes. And I keep the Why did I prevent myself from falling? Papisti, malupad na po ko. Woo! Papisti. What did I do of turn? What's balling, niggas? Negro. This is my negro. This is my negro. Say that to yourself, but this is very easy. With my flying mode, I prevent myself from falling. How do I do that? You just... Oh shit. Restage to Ate Princess. Lawa ka sa 480. Bitch ka. Wala ka na makomplete ang I only need 4 more stages to get 500 billion. Ah shit. Tipis na kabalo ka, tipis na ko sa 485 million. Yan sa mga pro. Ayan na lang to na game. Ayan to na game. The princess. Why? Ayan to na game. Oh fuck. Okay, that's the end of this